Hi, this is the Pro3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to change Mac system voice on your MacBook. Before you get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notifications to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go! Thanks to Siri on the iPhone, people are quickly getting used to hearing Gadget talk. Your Mac can talk too. For using your Mac every day, there's a VoiceOver which is designed for people who are blind or have low vision. If that's more talking from your Mac than you need, you can use the Mac's text-to-speech feature, where the Mac reads selected text. It can be handy to use in presentation, or if you use an app to record your Mac's audio, you can create sound clips to use in videos or audio recording. But what if you want to change the system voice on your MacBook? So simple. So first of all, of course, we have to open our system preferences. Now you can go to accessibility. And from here, you can go to spoken content. And here, you can see there is an option system voice. You can play to change the system voice. You can just click on here and you can choose on the voice that you want to use for your Mac system. Maybe for the example, you can hear it one by one and play.
Hello, my name is Samantha. I am an American English voice.
Or you can, there's also Siri voice that you can use.
Hello, I'm Siri.
And you can also customize from your Mac for the sound. Maybe for the example, we'll choose this voice.
Hello, my name is Lee. I'm an Australian English voice.
After that, so here's your new system voice on your MacBook. You can change the system voice on your MacBook anytime you want. It's so simple, right? So that is how to change the system voice on your MacBook. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you!